Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with NerdWallet for AI budgeting guidance workflows step by step clearly. Visit the NerdWallet website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password and enter it in the password field. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided field. Select your preferred method of communication for updates. Click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Provide any additional personal information requested, such as your name and location. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to confirm your acceptance. Click the Create Account button to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after registration. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link included. Log into your newly created account using your email and password. Once logged in, explore the budgeting tools available on the platform. Follow the prompts to set up your budgeting guidance workflows. Customize your preferences to align with your financial goals. Save your settings to activate your AI budgeting guidance work. You're now ready to take advantage of NerdWallet's budgeting assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.